Hello and welcome to E! Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Bugle started his new year in a charitable way. The anointed entertainment recording artist and his team joined forces with his musical colleagues Voicemail to embark on a humanitarian effort to cook and feed hundreds of poor and homeless Jamaicans across Kingston and St. Catherine. Bugle and his team made stops in Halfway Tree and 3 Miles before culminating at the Spanish Town Infirmary.
That's why I cherish every moment that you give me. Me have to smile every time when you see me. You who hate me and think me I go fight you. You must be mad, me no love you but me like you. Nico, we cherish every moment that you give me. Me have to smile every time when you see me. So who hate me and think me I go fight you. You must be mad, me no love you but me like you.
The artist, after closing 2017 on a high note, is definitely kicking off the new year in a higher gear with a newly secured international movie soundtrack deal for the Jamaican film The Mango Girl. Locally, Bugle is billed for the 2018 installment of Rebel Salute, which will be held on January 12 and 13 at Grizzly's Plantation Cove in Prairie St. Anne.
Good production.
Pre me long time. Big bumper girl, bust a bottle wine. On my Instagram page, I'm lurking. I got no time for you cause I'm working.
A successful breakout year in 2017. Unique Curvy Diva Barrett, now a recording artist, is already putting plans in place for the release of new music for both her local and international fan base. Barrett is already in the studio recording music with African producers in her bid to delve in the Afrobeat genre. She has an upcoming collaboration with an African superstar. The Good Productions artist is also focused on a number of new projects, including a collaboration with iOctane and the release of the Turn Your Lights Down Low music video, her collaborative single with Kimani Marley. The Curvy Diva is scheduled for performances in the Turks and Caicos this February and her debut performance on the YVA stage on February 24. Reggae artist Chuck Fender returns to Jamaica after a successful tour of Europe. His Concrete Jungle tour made 11 stops across Germany, Belgium, Switzerland and Austria, promoting his Concrete Jungle album. The album features 13 tracks and includes collaborative singles with reggae artist Tatana on the song That Place and Sasha on Sticky Situation. Concrete Jungle is Chuck Fender's 6th studio album. Finally, on the international scene, the Golden Voice promoters have announced a stellar lineup for the 2018 staging of Coachella. Headlining this year's festival is Beyonce, Eminem, and The Weeknd. Beyonce is the first black woman to ever headline the festival. Coachella has become known in the industry for its leadership in fine art and cuisine and remains dominant in industry polls, having been recently named the Billboard Top Festival of the Year. And that's it for this evening's edition of E! Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.